All right, the later part of this video I filmed this morning, early in the morning, and I watched it back just now, and I realized that I didn't really ever say what I wanted to say, but you'll see why we're a little distracted. But there's no builds content in this video. There's no like truck content. There is. I did end up buying the 55% over Warren Diesel mod to the pump, to the CP 4.2. So we're gonna be doing that in a couple weeks here, hopefully after like Thanksgiving, like between Thanksgiving and Christmas, probably, because it's gonna be busy. But the reason for this video is to tell you why there's been nothing update wise, and I've been doing nothing on the build. And there's three reasons. So after the wedding, we had the honeymoon in Montana, and then we got back, and shortly after that something happened, which you'll see here in the later part of this video. And another reason is it's hunting season, waterfowl season. So we've been really busy on hunting every weekend, most of the week too. So it's just been nuts. Well, like I said, you'll see the main reason why I've been so busy on a day-to-day basis and had zero time for any of this truck stuff. Yeah, you'll see that here in just a sec. So real quick, the reason we haven't had anything posted in the past months, no updates, no nothing, is it's been hunting season. That's been super busy. And also, he was instructed to wait, but Charlie, come. Good, sit. Good. God, this is so hard to get these out of here. So this is Charlie. Oh, find it. Did you get it? No, it sure looks like you did. Big slobber part. This is sit. Oh boy, what are we doing here? Got a niche. This is Charlie. He's 10 weeks, chocolate lab. He's doing a lot of crying today, and I don't enjoy that at all. Relax, please. All right. We're just in the middle of doing training, but like I said, this is the reason that I haven't had much time lately. I did buy the That's a bad boy. All right, let's get him doing some stuff. You want to see someone who's really food motivated. All right, his bed's way over there. Watch this. Charlie, bed. Oh. Charlie, bed. We figured it out. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Come. Heel. 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 It's kind of a weird angle, but sit. Wait. Yeah, he's been a handful. Good. And yeah, I did buy the 55% over Warren Diesel pump rider, so that's going in. I just ordered it yesterday, so that's going in at some point here before the end of the year, I think. And yeah, that's about this. I just wanted to get out there and tell you why you've got no command, so you can do whatever you want, buddy. Why I haven't been doing anything lately is he's been a handful. Hunting's been nuts. Charlie, kennel. Good boy. But I want to have a well-trained dog, and that starts now with obedience commands and him knowing who's the boss, and knowing what the rules are and what they aren't, and when he can have freedom and when he needs to listen. So that's it. You want to say bye, Charlie? Come. Good boy. Sit. Good. So we're getting there with him, and next time I see you guys, excuse me, we will be installing that 55%. Well, maybe the first time we see you, we will. God, I can't wait. I can't go these fucking things on. I just little last couple of my own here. Wait. Next time we see you, we will be probably doing just a quick overview of the pusher intake system to show you what it looks like more in depth, because I got to chase that oil leak. Don't whine. And then after that, then we'll be putting that 55 over, and then we'll be close to breaking rods or spinning the cam gear on the camshaft or doing something, breaking the trans probably. So wait, sit. I know you've been waiting for a long time, and you're just a little guy. Good boy, good. Let's do one more bed. Charlie, bed. Good boy, good. All right, I'll do it. But like I said, just wanted to get out here and say what the hell was happening. Probably said that 9 times now, but no content here, I guess. Sorry. Besides this little bitch. All right.